So you're thinking of selling some gold. We've created a 9-question assessment to help you in 3 key areas. Number 1, are you emotionally ready to sell your gold? And what we mean by that is, do you have the understanding? Do you have certain pieces that may hold more sentimental value? Maybe they mean more to you, and others just need to get back in the system. You just need to get the gold back and your value back in your bank account. Number 2, are you financially aware? Do you know how to get fair market value? Gold is at all-time highs. And what does that mean for your jewelry or your gold? Knowing how to calculate your value is important, because when it comes time to transfer the value, you need to know what it's worth. Number 3, are you organized? Are you prepared? Do you know all the different options to sell your gold? Being prepared means more profit for you. Being organized also gives you more options in understanding what you have and the different options of gold buyers. There's lots of different options for the items that you have, and knowing your best option will bring the most value. Take the assessment and gain the knowledge that you need to make the right decision.